investor lead gen, a lot of people are focusing, whether you have a CRM or not, on having reaches out to people who don't know who you are. They might not be an investor predisposed to do business with you, meaning they're not a local investor, an investor that knows you already, or an investor in your industry or a parallel industry that would lend to them understanding what you're offering and the value of it. And a lot of people are just reaching out cold like that, and they're just kind of doing it robotically. They might get a referral sometimes. They might hear of a cool event to go to where investors might be there. But developing ways to have investor opt-ins, which means that they're filling out a form on your website and saying, raising their hand and saying, I want to learn more about this investment, or I would like to learn more about working with you, is important to do. Having something where if you speak at an event, you have a infographic, a benchmark study, a paperback book, a PDF book, some sort of handout at the event. When I spoke in Keystone last year at a real estate event with 600 people, I brought one of my best friends with me, and he helped pass out my book to all 600 people while I was giving the talk. And out of the 100 speakers or so that spoke at that event, one other person passed out a book. And it just leaves a bigger impact, and you get more out of what you do by thinking about investor lead generation and how you get more leads coming to you versus you cold chasing leads.